deep fried chicken and cucumber salad. Yummy, yummy. Chicken drumstick, cucumber salad. Hello everyone, welcome to TP channel. Today I will make cucumber salad and deep fried chicken. Okay, let's go watching my video. Wow, deep fried chicken looks so yummy. Deep fried drumstick, yummy, yummy. Garlic, chili, fresh chili, and peanut. Tomato, tasty powder, chili powder, sugar, MSG, no MSG, no lime, lime or lemon. Cucumber, fish sauce, cucumber salad and drumstick. Yummy, yummy. Thank you everyone for watching my video. See you next time. Bye bye.